Hi guys, my name is Jessica, and I work at an architecture firm in Brooklyn. I grew up in San Antonio, went to public high school, and went to college in upstate New York at a 5-year architecture program. Now I'll walk you through our office. This is our main conference room area where we pin up inspirational images, projects that we're working on. My firm mostly works in residential buildings, which means houses, hotels, condos, that sort of thing. This is a project in Cabo. That's an elevation drawing where you look at the side of the building to show what it looks like. This is a section where you cut a line through the building so you see how the structure hits the ground. And this is a plan drawing where you look down into the building to show the walls and the furniture. These drawings are all ways that we work through the design process. It's also how we show clients what we're designing, and more importantly, it's what gets delivered to the job site when they start building the building. On this back wall, we have a lot of renderings of projects that we're working on. A rendering is kind of like a fake photograph that we make to show the client. So the building hasn't been built yet, but we use the rendering to show them what their house is going to look like. We also have drawers and drawers of different material samples, different tiles, stone, wood, lots of different things to figure out what would look best in the building. Another way to show a client a design is by building a model. There you can see the ground, a balcony detail. This model is of a hotel that we're building in Hawaii. It's 2 big towers that overlook the ocean, and this is a good way to kind of see the building for what it's going to be. Here's my desk. We work in AutoCAD at my office, so most of the day I draw on the computer in Plan. So right there I'm designing a unit for a church in New York City that's being converted into apartments. Here's everyone inside my office, still hard at work. We're located on the top floor of our building in Brooklyn, which means we have an awesome view of Manhattan across the East River. From here you can see the Empire State Building. Coming across there you can see the Manhattan Bridge. Behind it there's the Freedom Tower for World Trade Center, and behind that is the Brooklyn Bridge. I hope you guys found the architecture office interesting. If there are things like this that you think you might like, whether it's architecture or math or science or anything, read about it, learn as much as you can, because it might turn into a cool job one day. Have a great summer. Thanks for listening. Bye, guys.